Hello fam, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 20 of Vlogmas and I'm so excited because it's 5 days before Christmas. Here I'm doing some laundry. It is late at night, but I need to get started because I want to have all of this done by Christmas Day. And when I was in my laundry room, I realized I hadn't decorated. So in this video, I also will be decorating my laundry area. Right here, I'm also showing you a pair of PJs that I got from Walmart. They were only $10 for the set. It's on this one, it says Dreamers, and I think it is so cute. This PJ set is so soft, guys. It's lightweight. So I decided to get 2 more of them. I think I featured these in a previous video. This is the red set here, has deers all over it, and the front of it says "Oh dear." And I'll be turning the inside out. A lot of times when I have print on items that have any type of design or anything like that, I turn it inside out in the wash. So we're gonna do a little laundry and do a little decorating in this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all subscribe, because I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. I'm going to quickly wipe down the counters and do some vacuuming in the laundry room. I already started putting up some decor. As you see, I have that canvas that I got from Roses on the wall there. Now that I have gotten everything cleaned off and taken some of the items out of the laundry room, I'm going to start decorating the shelves and the counter, and I will be back with you guys to give you an overview of how it came out.
And warm. In here you find both young and old, seeking shelter from the storm. It's the spirit of the season to open up the door. It's the spirit of the season to give and love some more.
We are standing on the outside of my laundry room, and on the door I have hung a wreath that I got from Walmart about a year or two ago that I got on clearance, and I really do like it because of the variation of greenery, and it also has some berries. It has a beautiful ribbon here attached and a little bell that hangs in the middle. And yeah, guys, I just want to show you the wreath that I had hung on the door. So without further ado, let's just go on in so you can see the rest of the laundry room.
It's the spirit of the season to open up your heart.
We're going to start off on this side here, and I'm sharing with you this Christmas tree that I have had for such a long time. I can't even remember where I got it from. I usually keep it in my office, but I decided to use it here in my laundry room. It's just a little boot with a Christmas tree inside, and it came with these vintage ornaments. Well, they look vintage to me. And on the wall here, I have that canvas that I got from Roses. I think it looks perfect in this area, and it was only $4. And as you see, it does light up. On the first shelf, I placed a little sled that I got from the Target bullseye spot with some bottle brush trees. And this little sign here I got from Dollar General, I think it was, and it was only $1. Now on the top shelf, I just have my usual sign, and I placed 2 of those little trees from the Target bullseye spot this year, and that is my little reindeer that I got from Home Goods. And those houses, wooden houses on the side, I got a bunch of those from the Target bullseye spot this year also, and I just love them. I have them all through my house. So I'm just giving you guys another look at how everything came out, and it's just so cute. You know, I started doing laundry, and I was like, you know what, I usually decorate my laundry room for the season. Well, I just started decorating it since we remodeled our laundry room, and I decorated for fall, so of course I had to decorate it for Christmas. And on this wall here, I just have some little skates, ice skates, that also came from the Target bullseye spot, and my favorite little basket that I got from the thrift store for like $2, $2 or $3, and I just placed some random picks inside of that. And I really like how the laundry room came out. I didn't do too much. I just added a couple of items here and there.
Give the here and now all its worth. It's the spirit of the season.
And I also added some decorative mats inside of the laundry room. I got these from Roses last year on clearance, and I just set one in front of the washer here and the other in front of the cabinet. Well, guys, that was a quick look at my laundry room decorated for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.